I'm Sarah from Creative Ramblings, and you're watching Hometalk.
So the white rug is going to be my base. I'm going to flip this over, grab a Sharpie, and draw out some cow spots. I want this to look similar to a cowhide rug. Then I'm going to carefully cut out each of those spots. I want to preserve the base of this rug. So the white spots that I'm cutting out, I'm actually going to put to the side and not use. And I really want to make sure I don't get any extra cuts on that base. For the spot in the middle, I'm going to use a craft knife just to get a nice clean edge on that and then continue along with my scissors. So once all the spots are cut out, I can put those aside. This white base is what I need to save. This is going to be the base of the rug. Now it's time to move on to the teal rug. So I'm going to place that upside down with that backing up, and I'm going to grab those white spots. Now I want to trace the white spots onto here and cut them out of teal. So for this part of the project, I don't need to save the outside of this rug, so I can be, it's a little bit easier to cut everything out, but I do want to save the teal spots. So now it's time to put everything together. So I'm going to lay that white base down with the backing up. Then I'm going to grab the teal spots and fit them in where they go, kind of like a puzzle. It's important to make sure all the little fibers of the rug are pushed down and not sticking up through the back. This is going to give us a nice full look on the front. Once everything is fit together, I'm just going to grab a piece of duct tape and try to pull off any of that fuzz. You could use a lint roller too. This is just going to help the tape really stick well on the back of this. Now that we have a nice clean edge, I want to make sure again that all those fibers are stuck to the front of the mat and not sticking out. Then I'm just going to use a generous amount of duct tape and secure the spots into their places. And that's it. Our rug is finished. This is nice and secure. I just need to grab that lint roller one more time and get all this excess off. You can also go through and kind of scrunch together the fibers to make sure they blend really well. This has the look of a high-end cowhide looking rug. It's going to look great in my home. Right now I have this up in my daughter's room in her little reading area, and she loves the colors and the styles of it. This is an inexpensive way to grab 2 bathroom rugs, duct tape them together, and make them look like something high-end. I hope you're inspired to go try to create one of these on your own. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.